Valley stores are having lots of sales to entice you, so our Smart Shopper team has the best deals that grocery stores have to offer this week.
Stock up on cherries at Fry's and Safeway for $1.47 a pound. Just last week, we saw them for triple that price. While you're at Safeway, check out their grill deals, including buy one, get 3 packs for free on pork loin chops and USDA choice beef chuck steaks. Fry's has T-bone steak for $4.77 a pound and Hebrew National hot dogs, 2 for $5. Food City has orange, gold, green, or red bell peppers on sale, 3 for 99 cents. That's an awesome price. Other stores have them on sale for 75 cents each. Shop Food City during their 4-day sale, Thursday through Monday, and get chicken drumsticks or thighs for 57 cents per pound. Corn on the cob is good for the grill, and you'll find the best deals this week at Bash's and Albertsons, 10 ears for $1. Fry's, Food City, Bash's, and Albertsons all have soda deals, 4 for $8.88. But read the fine print. You'll have to get 4 to get that deal. Plus, you'll need to spend a minimum of $25. We can't forget about dessert. Stop at Bash's for Breyer's ice cream. Buy one for $5.99 and get 2 free. That's $2 for each container. Albertsons has Dreyer's ice cream plus Nestle and Hostess treats for $1.67. That'll save you at least $1 each.
So our Smart Shopper team found so many deals that we couldn't share them all, but you can find them at abc15.com/smartshopper. And speaking